Good morning, students. Let's draw a bird. Here, first draw beak. Then we will have to draw head of bird. Here, draw one eye. Now draw wings and few lines for feathers like this way. Now draw here leg. And here draw tail of this bird. Now draw branch and few leaves we will have to draw. Now it's time to fill color. First take yellow color. Watch carefully where you have to apply yellow color. Now it's time to fill orange color. Near the yellow color we will have to apply this orange color below part of yellow color. Now sky blue color for head and wings upper part we will have to fill light blue color. Now for leaf, first take yellow color and overly we will have to apply sky blue color. You can see that yellow color convert in green color. Now brown color for branch and bird's leg. Now it's time to draw background with red color. Draw random circles, somewhere dark, somewhere light, somewhere long, somewhere small. Like this, we will have to draw our background and enjoy coloring. Thank you for watching.